So I did put an amount of oil in the pan. And then now I'm going to saute my 3 cloves of garlic. That's chopped garlic. I just want to turn them into like a little bit brown but not burnt. So this is it. I'm going to put my onion here. It's a chopped onion. I use only half. Guys, this time I'm using a ground pork and beef mixed. I saw it in the store and that's the cheaper one that I saw, and it's already mixed in there, so there's nothing wrong with it, and it's a cheaper price. Then I add a chicken. This is a 3 meat menudo. And I would like to shout out to my White Gold members. Dealing Life by Philippine, Bayot ako pero rakista, Jackie Coleros, Tem Tabor, Jen Larede, English teacher in France, Kabilog Worlds, Jinjai Life in Ireland, and Shirley, thank you so much. Now I'm going to add my mixed beef and pork giniling, which is grounded. I saw this in a Fred Meyer store and it was like $5.99 for 2 pounds. So, and we'll see. So I just add my chicken. So that's I like my chicken, which is I just cut them like into cubes. Now I'm going to season them with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of chicken flavor. That is only the basic. I always use this 1 teaspoon ahead in my cooking so that this one will absorb into my ingredients, into my meat. So that's basically I do when I cook. Let's give it a little stir so the meat will mix into the ground meat will break apart, and I'm going to cover this until the meat is cooked. So let's simmer that in a medium heat. Then now I'm going to add my soy sauce. Also, like I use like 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, being a chef, so I can guess how much I need. I can actually like put all my seasoning in there without just measuring them, because I know how it tastes like. So now the water come out. Half of it is oil and half of the water. So I'm going to take this excess water and oil from the beef later and throw it away, because I want this meat dry before I mix all my ingredients together. And then now I'm going to put my lid back. So I'm going to wait until the juice over there will reduce. And I want it a little bit, the meat is a little bit brown. Well, you can add your ingredients. It's already cooked, but I want mine is like sizzling. The meat is sizzles in the oil a little bit, because I like my meat sizzling in the oil. And then now I'm going to add my chopped potatoes. You can add carrots on this one, but my husband doesn't like carrots and I'm allergic with carrots. I only use it once in a while when I had an allergy pills with me. But this time I'm gonna put carrots, but this is nice when you put carrots in there. And I'm going to put the green peas, like a handful. Those meat is 2 pounds. The ground meat is 2 pounds, and I had a 1 pound of chopped chicken. I use chicken thighs, boneless. And then now I'm going to season them again with soy sauce, like a tablespoon on the top. Then now I'm going to cover them until the potato is half cooked. So now the potato is half cooked. I'm going to add my tomato sauce. I use only like a small can of tomato sauce. And then now the amount of the water is a small can, so I'm going to add a small can of water. I'm gonna raise the can because I want all the tomato juices inside in my cooking. And then now I'm going to add my bell pepper. If you had green bell pepper, I don't have one. I only had a red bell pepper at this time. And then now I'm going to get a little stir in here. And then now you had your final touch. You can taste it, and it depends on how much salt you need, but I'm going to add another teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of chicken flavor. So my meat earlier is already seasoned, and this is the last season for my tomato sauce that I added and the water. And then now I'm going to cover a little bit and shut off my fire. Do not overcook the potato. Is not good when you overcook. So I already shut off the fire, but my thing is still going. My burner is still going. I think this is it. This is my kids' favorite food. Now you can eat it with your jasmine rice. Or my husband just eat it just like that. But my kid ate it with jasmine rice. I only had 2 potatoes left, but it's good when you had more potatoes in there.